Tired of feeling lost in the online noise? Want to build a personal brand that truly stands out? AI is changing the game, and in this video I'm sharing how you can use it to create a powerful online presence in 2025. Let's dive in. We're in 2025 and the online world is more crowded than ever. If you're serious about building a personal brand that cuts through the noise, you need every advantage you can get. And trust me, AI is the game changer you've been waiting for. In this video, we're diving deep into how AI can transform your online presence, from understanding your audience to automating your content. Let's get started. Alright, let's get real for a second. In 2025, personal branding isn't just about a catchy logo or a cool tagline. It's about leveraging data, understanding insights, and scaling that authenticity to connect with a massive audience. And AI isn't some futuristic concept anymore, guys. It's here right now and it's leveling the playing field. We're talking AI-powered tools that used to be exclusive to big companies, now available to individuals like you and me. These tools help you analyze trends, adapt your message, and connect with your audience faster and more effectively than ever before. Think about it. If you're not using AI, you're already playing catch-up. Imagine millions of voices all vying for attention online. It's overwhelming, right? That's why standing out means understanding the digital battlefield. You need to know exactly who you're trying to reach, where they hang out online, and what kind of content grabs their attention. That's where AI comes in clutch. We're talking about AI-driven tools that map out your audience's behavior, analyze their sentiment, and give you a clear picture of what makes them tick. It's like having X-ray vision into your target audience. Okay, so how do you actually use AI to understand your audience? Well, there are some seriously powerful tools out there like Google AI Platform, ChatGPT, and IBM Watson. These platforms are like having a team of data scientists working for you 24/7. They analyze massive data sets in real time, uncovering trends, identifying patterns, and showing you exactly what your audience cares about. You'll see what content they're clicking on, what they're sharing, and what they're completely ignoring. This intel is pure gold, allowing you to craft a content strategy that speaks directly to their needs and interests. Remember the days of guessing what your audience wanted? Yeah, those days are over. AI lets you ditch the guesswork and build a laser-focused customer avatar, a detailed profile of your ideal follower or customer. Tools like Crystal, SparkToro, and even LinkedIn's AI features analyze social data, online behavior, and professional backgrounds to create these incredibly accurate personas. You'll know their demographics, their pain points, their aspirations, everything you need to tailor your messaging, refine your product design, and create content that resonates on a deeper level. Now let's talk visuals. You don't need to be a graphic design wizard to create a stunning brand image anymore. AI-powered design tools like Canva AI, Adobe Sensei, and Looka are here to make you look like a pro. These tools use AI to generate logos, social media posts, even entire brand guidelines, all tailored to your specific niche and style preferences. They ensure brand consistency across all your platforms, making you look professional and instantly recognizable. And the best part? You can do it all in minutes, even if you've never designed a thing in your life. Your website is your online home, and AI can help you build one that's both beautiful and effective. Platforms like Bookmark, Wix ADI, and Hostinger Website Builder AI use AI to create optimized websites tailored to your specific industry and target audience. And get this, AI can even write your website copy for you. Just input your key information and desired tone of voice, and AI will generate compelling headlines, engaging product descriptions, and even calls to action that convert visitors into customers. It's like having a team of web developers and copywriters at your fingertips. Content is king, right? But creating high-quality content consistently can feel like a full-time job. That's where AI-powered content generation tools come in. Tools like Jasper, Copy.ai, and ChatGPT help you break through the digital noise and create content that actually resonates with your audience. We're talking blog posts, social media captions, video scripts, even long-form articles, all optimized for search engines and designed to engage your target market. These tools analyze trending topics, suggest relevant keywords, and adapt your writing style to match your brand voice. It's like having a personal content creation team working around the clock. Ever feel stuck in a content rut, unsure what to create next? AI can help with that too. Tools like Surfer SEO, Phrase, and Answer the Public use AI to analyze search engine data and social media trends, revealing exactly what your audience is searching for and talking about. They generate content ideas, suggest relevant keywords, and even provide outlines and structures for your articles and videos. With AI-powered content planning, you'll always have a steady stream of fresh, engaging content that your audience will love. Building relationships is key to any successful personal brand, and AI can help you nurture those relationships at scale. Email marketing and social media automation tools like MailerLite AI, ConvertKit, and ActiveCampaign use AI to personalize your communication and make it feel more human. AI analyzes how each subscriber interacts with your emails, tracks their engagement on social media, and then tailors the message accordingly. That means welcome emails that feel warm and inviting, newsletters that provide genuinely valuable content, and special offers that actually convert. It's like having a personal assistant managing all your outreach, ensuring every interaction feels authentic and engaging. Data is everything in the digital age, and AI makes it easier than ever to track your progress and make data-driven decisions. Tools like Google Analytics, AI, Sprout Social, and Hootsuite Insights provide in-depth analytics on your website traffic, social media engagement, and overall brand performance. You'll see what's working, what's not, and where you need to adjust your strategy. AI even provides actionable insights and recommendations, helping you optimize your content, refine your targeting, and maximize your impact. It's like having a personal brand coach, analyzing your every move and guiding you towards success. In 2025, a successful personal brand is more than just a name or a logo. It's a thriving ecosystem. AI helps you build and manage that ecosystem more effectively than ever before. Use AI-powered chatbots like TDO or ChatFuel to provide instant customer support, answer questions, and engage with your audience 24/7. Utilize AI to analyze customer feedback, identify areas for improvement, and refine your brand voice across all platforms. By integrating AI into every aspect of your brand, you create a seamless and engaging experience for your audience, fostering loyalty and driving long-term growth. The online world is constantly evolving, but AI is built to adapt. By embracing AI-driven tools and strategies, you're not just keeping up with the times, you're future-proofing your personal brand. As trends change and algorithms evolve, AI will be there to guide you, providing the insights and tools you need to stay ahead of the curve. The future belongs to those who embrace innovation. And in the world of personal branding, AI is the ultimate innovation. Start building your AI-powered brand today, and position yourself for success in the years to come. So there you have it, a deep dive into how AI is revolutionizing personal branding in 2025. Now that you know the power of AI, it's time to take action. Don't get overwhelmed, just start with one tool, one strategy, and watch how it transforms your online presence. If this video inspired you, hit that like button, subscribe for more game-changing content, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you're most excited to try. Let's build your brand together.